Welcome to my channel.
Xiaomi 12T, Xiaomi 12T Pro with 5000 mAh battery, 120W HyperCharge Unveiled. Details: Xiaomi 12T series, including the flagship smartphones Xiaomi 12T Pro and Xiaomi 12T, has been unveiled for global markets today. As per an earlier information, the Chinese company was expected to widely launch the two smartphones at the Xiaomi event scheduled today. As teased by the smartphone giant earlier, Xiaomi 12T series comes with pro-grade cameras. Both the smartphones sport a 6.67-inch Crystal Res AMOLED display. Xiaomi 12T series, Xiaomi 12T and Xiaomi 12T Pro also feature a 5000 mAh battery and 120W HyperCharge. The Xiaomi 12T comes with a triple camera unit led by a 108-megapixel primary camera, while the Xiaomi 12T Pro is headlined by a 200-megapixel imaging system. Both the smartphones are claimed to charge fully in 19 minutes, providing up to 13.5 hours of screen time. Xiaomi 12T, Xiaomi 12T Pro price and availability. Xiaomi launched the series including the Xiaomi 12T and the Xiaomi 12T Pro on Tuesday for global markets. The Xiaomi 12T series will be available for sale starting October 13th via Xiaomi official channels. Both the smartphones will come in three color variants: black, blue, and silver. The Xiaomi 12T Pro will be available in three storage variants. The primary 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage model will come at a starting price of €749, nearly 60,500 rupees. The smartphone will also offer an 8GB RAM plus 256GB storage variant, and a 12GB RAM plus 256GB storage option. On the other hand, the Xiaomi 12T will come in only two storage variants. The 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage will cost €599, nearly 48,800 rupees, while there will also be an 8GB RAM plus 256GB storage model. Xiaomi 12T specifications. Xiaomi 12T is powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 8100 Ultra SoC, fully upgraded with an all-new GPU structure. On the optics front, Xiaomi 12T features a triple camera unit which includes a 108-megapixel primary camera, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 2-megapixel macro camera. As mentioned earlier, the Xiaomi 12T packs a 5000 mAh battery, claimed to provide up to 13.5 hours of screen time within 19 minutes. The smartphone also sports a 6.67-inch Crystal Res AMOLED display, which is enhanced by smart features such as adaptive sync. Xiaomi 12T specifications. Unlike the Xiaomi 12T smartphone, the Xiaomi 12T Pro is equipped with a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 SoC. The smartphone features a 200-megapixel camera sensor that comes along Xiaomi's own advanced AI algorithms. Interestingly, the smartphone supports 8K video in full resolution. Both the smartphones run Android 12-based MIUI 13 out of the box.